How's it going, folks? It is Matt back with another DigiByte video. Today I got several topics to cover. We're going to talk about Travala.com. They have recently gone native with DigiByte payments. I've also got some news to cover surrounding the EUCX, that brand new European cryptocurrency exchange that has migrated from the aging ERC20 protocol over to DigiByte's blockchain. Got some updates surrounding that, as well as some other topics. As always, this video is brought to you by ChangeAngel.io, the swap exchange for social good. Talking about ChangeAngel, this is the Malta AI and Blockchain Summit going on in November. November 7th through the 8th. So the Malta AI Blockchain Summit has written an article about ChangeAngel. I'll provide a link to this in the description below. If you are interested in attending this summit, you can buy a ticket for a 50% discount using this code here, and you got to register at this link here. I'll just provide a link to this tweet specifically so you can read that article, and if you're interested, purchase your ticket for a 50% discount. So getting into the news from Travala.com. It was a couple hours ago that Travala tweeted out, "With great pleasure, we would like to announce that Travala.com has joined forces with DigiByte as their recommended travel partner." They have released a PR blog here, which I have pulled up and will skim through with you. So, Travala.com has a far-reaching presence across 210 countries and territories. Again, Travala.com has become the recommended travel partner for DigiByte. So, looking through this article here, let's see. The prolific trend of crypto tourism by enabling the DigiByte community to enjoy up to 40% discounts on accommodation bookings worldwide made on Travala.com when you pay with DigiByte. So some of you may be scratching your head thinking, hey, I thought you could pay with DigiByte sometime last year. That's true. But during that time, DigiByte was not native to Travala.com. So DigiByte is now officially a native currency on Travala.com, which I believe makes purchasing your accommodations even cheaper than they already were. So the CEO and co-founder of Travala.com has said in recent years, DigiByte has been at the forefront of innovation, setting itself apart with multiple blockchain firsts, such as SegWit, as well as offering speeds up to 40 times faster than Bitcoin, for example. They are excited to work with DigiByte to champion the growth for crypto community and to promote a future where crypto payments are universal and essential to everyday life. So I thought that was good that he pointed out some of the firsts that DigiByte has succeeded in doing, such as SegWit doing it before some larger cryptocurrencies out there. Another thing I'd like to add is, on top of being a first, was the DigiShield technology, which I believe saved several projects that are ranked higher in market cap from potential extinction. And then also switching that to the multi-shield when DigiByte went from one mining algorithm to the 5 mining algorithms that they have today. So last thing I wanted to touch on this article, this was words from Rudy Bauman, core member of the DigiByte and DigiByte Awareness Team, and co-founder of the DigiByte Awareness Team as well. So he said that we are grateful Travala.com has now integrated DigiByte as a native payment option. Travala is leading blockchain-based travel booking platforms that aims to be 15% cheaper on average than other booking platforms. DigiByte is a great addition to their multi-currency payment option. With the addition of DigiByte, they are now making another step forward towards cryptocurrency adoption. So just wanted to join Rudy there saying we are very grateful for this integration as a native payment on Travala.com. This is a look at their website. I'll provide a link to it in the description. If you are going to book a flight, book a trip, book a hotel somewhere in the world, highly encourage you to use this. You are paying with DigiByte, but you are saving 15-40%. The savings are worth the spending, in my opinion. And you can always purchase more DigiByte right after you spend it, so no loss there. Now switching to news on the EUCX. They tweeted this out the other day saying, some of you already guessed it, we cannot have a serious platform without one of the older and most honorable projects in the crypto space to date. As such, DigiByte will be on the launching of our assets, or be one of the launching assets on the EUCX, including full support of DigiAsset-based digital assets. So the EUCX could be officially the first exchange that will allow DigiAssets to be listed, traded, exchanged, sold, bought, whatever. So that's big news. That's really big news. And the Tron Weekly Journal has written an article that talks about the EUCX a little bit deeper. So I'll go through this just for some more background and more information on the EUCX if you were otherwise unaware. I'll also provide a link to this article in the description so you can read the full details on your own time. So, the EUCX exchange is a new entrant to the crypto market. The exchange includes the names of a few blockchain companies as its partners, including Block 30 Labs, which I believe most of you are already aware of at this point in time. I won't go into too much detail, but I'll provide a link to their website in the description. EUCX has also partnered with Serendipity Blockchain Solutions. I'm not sure if I pronounced Serendipity correct, but I feel like I did. They've also partnered with Nephos IT. So what are these two companies and what do they do? So Serendipity, I went to their website. They've provided a 59-second commercial that talks about what they offer. I'm just going to skip forward to this part here that explains the definition and meaning of serendipity. So serendipity means the occurrence and development of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. So that's a good name. So their mission, they've committed themselves to excel. At Serendipity, we value the timeless, honest, and mutual respect. We strive to exceed our customers' expectations while delivering promises in an ever-changing ecospace such as blockchain and fintech. We aim for simplicity and clarity. In everything we do, our aim is to act with honesty, openness, fairness, and integrity. We are committed to provide your business with the possibilities and solutions that fit best with your goals. So what services do they offer? They offer ICO, advising and consulting. They offer brand strategy, marketing, and networking. They offer crypto content creation, community management. They offer smart contract services and white paper services. So I think that's and web design. They also offer web design as one of their services. So I think Serendipity is a wise partnership for the EUCX to help them kind of in their branding, marketing, social media engagement, etc. So the last partner that the EUCX has made, the Nephos IT, I googled it. Actually unable, there's a website right here. I guess I could use Google Translate, but let's do that right now. Translate this page. It's written in Dutch. Unfortunately, I speak English. I do not speak Dutch. So in the cloud, I'm actually learning about this in real time with you. So it looks like they offer some sort of cloud services. Again, haven't done too much research. I didn't see that Google Translate option until right this very minute. So I'll provide a link to this website in the description so you can look into it more. But again, I think it's a smart partnership for the EUCX. Again, I'm not going to read through this entire article. I'll provide a link to it in the description that talks more about the EUCX and DigiByte. They did say, as far as current market performance, I do have something to talk about at the end of this video regarding market performance, as the coin currently is showing bearish sentiment as the overall market is in a downtrend. I keep seeing trolls comment that the good news, DigiByte is dropping in price. It just keeps dropping. If you haven't recognized, the whole market's kind of been dropping for the past couple of weeks now, and DigiByte unfortunately was not the only one that outperformed the rest of the market. So I'm not too concerned with these price drops. Actually, it's a pretty good opportunity to pick up some more at these prices. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you make any decisions in terms of investment. I also wanted to point out that this article in the Tron Weekly Journal also highlighted the CoinX new pairing with the USDT that I had mentioned in my video the other day. And in that video I had said that I was speculating that CoinX with the addition of the USDT would likely make up the bulk of DigiByte volume, and it's definitely looking like it could head that direction. As you can see, the Bitcoin Cash pairing for DigiByte on CoinX is over $500,000 of trading volume in the last 24 hours. That's a huge chunk of volume coming from CoinEx, and then their Bitcoin pairing almost $100,000, and then the brand new USDT pairing that just went live like a couple of days ago, already at $55,000 trading volume. I expect that USDT pairing to probably pick up some more over the coming days, coming weeks, but it's definitely good news to see this type of volume coming on this exchange. So shout out to CoinEx. Thank you for all of the pairings that you have given DigiByte. So getting into some of the price speculations that I've seen out there recently. This was a tweet from Rekt Capital. I've never followed them before. I'm actually going to follow them now. But they got 20,000 followers on Twitter. So they ask, what altcoin would you like to see some extra analysis on? DigiByte won that vote. As you can see here in the tweet, he said, DigiByte wins. It has recently rebounded from a level that produced a 940% rally for DigiByte back in January of 2018. Now developing a formation that is quite common across all of the alts in the market right now. So for his full thoughts, he provided a link to his Telegram, which I have kindly pulled up. So in this extra Telegram snippet that he gave, I'll read exactly what he said. So it says, DigiByte is forming a common pattern across altcoins right now. It is essentially an ascending triangle, but the price behavior within it resembles the psychology of a double bottom like and higher low hybrid. So DigiByte's price action tells a story. Firstly, the initial bottom is more V-shaped than the second bottom. This implies that the initial buyers were a little more emotional and impatient to catch the price reversal. Of course, many buyers were left out as a result. After all, you snooze, you lose. But people don't like losing, which is why the buyers who were sidelined are still keen on entering the market, so keen that they are willing to enter at a premium, higher low. Lost my spot here, but their accumulation is likely to be more peaceful and gradual. Second bottom, more U-shaped and less volatile. The second bottom attracts a different personality type, more willing to buy at a premium, but less likely to be aggressive in how they go about their accumulation. This is the psychology within the current DigiByte ascending triangle. A breach past the red level will attract strong behavior typical of a breakout. So let me go back to that chart that he provided. So I guess if we ascend above this red line here, it could signal a rally, whether that would be a 940% rally like we saw in January of 2018. I have no idea, but I guess keep an eye on those charts, and that will wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications, like it, share it, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later.